guys, let's do a braid down tutorial. This has been a requested video, so I thought I would do this today. That way it can be up tomorrow for anybody that's wanting to know how to braid their hair down. Hopefully this video can help somebody. First things first, you want to make sure that you have is your glue, your gel. I use So Slick by Kaleidoscope in the Brat. I have a comb and a scrunchie. So let's move on to the next one. Next, you want to part your hair. I was trying to decide on which side I should part, but I think I'm probably just going to do the outer corner, and I'm also going to show you one in the middle. That way you get the idea for both. So I'm just parting it. And me personally, I am not a hairstylist. I am not a braider. I am nothing of that nature. So please don't come for me and my parts. And yeah. So I can't see the back of my head, but like I said, for the most part, I only braid my hair down when it's time to put my wig on, or even when I'm stretching my hair out. This is like one of the easiest methods that I prefer to do when it's time to stretch out my hair. And so what that just means is I will braid my hair down, and it'll like make my hair more longer and not curly anymore, because I have a really bad shrinkage. So I braid it down to stretch it out so I can wear my puff. So there's your part, gel. And you can also purchase this inside of H-E-B, Walmart, Kroger's, CVS, and Walgreens. Or you can also go online to the website I Love Colors and use my code KeishBeauty for some money off. So you see I got that. Then I'm going to put it into the hair, and then I grab 1, 2, 3 with the same hand. So then I move one finger to the back, the next finger to the back, and over time you will get that continuous motion where you are just making your way to the back. It don't have to be pretty, it does not have to be perfect, because over time you will improve from it to the point to where you don't have to feel like it was done bad. That's the braid. We're gonna do another one.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up.
So let's go to the next one. Honestly, my key tip for when you're applying your wig, make sure you do them small. Don't do them too big, because I feel like that will make the wig bulky. If you do them small and you mess them up, nobody's ever gonna know because they're not bulky. They're small. So in, every single time you go in, you grab like a little piece of hair and move it back under. Same motion again. There's also a French braid too, but if I ever teach you how to do a French braid, I have to do it on somebody else's head. Because I don't know how to do it myself. Last one. Get you some gel. All right, and that is how you braid your hair. If you have any questions in the comments, drop them down below. Hopefully this video does help somebody, because you can see braids don't have to be perfect. They just gotta be laid down flat. Also, did you notice that this was a lot of hair and we was managed to get it as small as possible within the braid? Yeah. So let me know if you like this video. If you want to see more hair tutorials, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time.